What's that? Those airplanes are good?
Yeah, there's a keepy.
That's a what?
Nursing kit plane.
That's a kit plane, uh-huh. What's that one right there?
And that's a crop duster.
That's right, that's a crop duster.
And that's a Z.
That's a GB, uh-huh.
Hey, I'm supposed to find the glider first.
What's that?
I'm supposed to find the glider.
You're supposed to find the glider? Okay, turn the book and turn the page and let's find the glider. There's crop duster. Oh, what's that?
Nothing.
This is the ultralight. It's like a hang glider, isn't it? What kind of airplane is that? Can you tell me about the airplanes? What kind of airplane is that? Ben, can you talk to the camera and tell me about the airplanes? What's that one?
That's a Concorde.
That's a Concorde? What's that airplane?
A stunt plane.
A stunt plane?
A stunt fighter plane.
A stunt fighter plane? Yeah. What's next? What's next?
The kit plane.
The kit plane. Uh-huh. What's that one? Look at the camera and tell me. What is that? Look right here at the camera and tell me what that airplane is.
747.
A Boeing 747?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The airplane.
What kind of airplane is that?
GB.
A GB? What's next?
The fighter plane.
What are those?
Those are fighter planes.
Those are the X-planes, aren't they?
Those are fighter planes.
That's the X-planes. Hey, where's the helicopter? You find the helicopter?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Where's the helicopter?
Now you open it.
Okay, you open it.
That's a stunt plane.
That's a stunt plane. What's that?
That's a Concorde.
That's a Concorde, yeah. What's that one? What's that airplane?
A Blackbird.
A Blackbird?
Yeah.
Is that the SR-71 Blackbird?
Yeah.
Yeah. What can you tell me about the Blackbird?
It has 2 engines.
It has 2 engines, yeah. Where are the engines? Where are the engines? Right there and right there. There's 2 of them, uh-huh. Yeah. Is it a really fast airplane?
Yeah.
How fast is it? How fast is it?
No. I'll show you.
How fast is it?
I don't want to.